Hopefully you guys can see this. I mean, yeah, you know what that's from? Fire. Shit. Wow, I guess it could have been a lot worse. Man, I'm still boiling up over there. I suppose I got the sumbitch on fire somewhere else. Unless that's just air rolling in different. Oh man, son of a bitch. I mean, that thing got hot. I couldn't get it out. First fire extinguisher I grabbed wouldn't work. What the hell is wrong with this thing anyway? It must be dead, is what it is. So look at that shit. Man, this panel got so hot. I mean, this thing was really flaming by the time I got a fire extinguisher on it. Unbelievable. And it still feels hot. It still might be on fire. I think it is on fire still. Hang on. Wow, what a deal. I don't know, guys. It might still be on fire. That is hot up here. Let me go get the hose. I don't know if the hose is long enough anymore. I'm getting a bucket of water. I don't feel it too hot up here. It's hot right here. And you never know about these things, man. They could be, God dang, man. I am going to have to frickin' buy a new interior. Jeez. Look at that shit. Man, that was so close, guys, to going. That was so close. We're talking seconds. Man, I'm nervous. And I'm nervous it ain't out. But seconds, guys, just a few seconds from losing my garage. Fires, they just get so hot so quick on the interiors on them vehicles. I was really lucky there. Really, really lucky. I got me a gallon, 5 gallons of water there. Really lucky, guys. Man, that steel, look at that. There's steam coming off of that. It's not hot on this side. Wow, look at that panel. God. Wow. Close. That was a close one. That was closer than you want it to be, for sure. It's hot right in here. It's like a man, I was welding on the bottom of it too, you know. Evidently it was, I had been welding on the, I had been welding on the, in the middle part of it, but not very much. And, you know, it had been a while and I was welding on the bottom and I kept hearing something that sounded funny, and I looked up and the whole, I couldn't even see the lights, you know, and the heat was just tremendous. You couldn't believe it. That's what I heard, was the paint and the steel crackling up here is what I heard. And, you know, it was just on fire in here. And where's my fucking sponge? I need my sponge. Where's it at? I still think it's on fire. I can still see. I don't want to come in here and hose it down unless I don't know if that's going to do anybody any good. Look at that. God, look at that. That's the edge of the seat right there. Turn the light on. Yeah. Yeah. New seat. New, all kind of shit. Motherfuck. Other fucking buddy jobs. I swear. I swear. Man, look at all that shit melted up in there. Always have fire extinguisher. If I didn't have fire extinguisher, guys, I'd lost my garage. I would have lost my garage, plain and simple. I mean, I was seconds. If I would have waited another minute, I don't think I could have saved it myself. I don't think I could have fought it off. I'd have lost everything, including this fucking truck. And, you know, the jury's still out on it. We still got heat. It can happen. I mean, you just wouldn't think. You just wouldn't think. I was welding on the very bottom of the truck, guys. And I had a fire in the cabin. And didn't know it. You know. Always be careful. Always. Always. Always be careful. Always have fire extinguishers. More than one. You know. First one didn't work. Junk. And yeah. Yeah, that was scary, people. Pretty scary. Pretty scary. It's starting to clear up. Oh man. Look at that, melted that frickin' emblem, looks like. I think it's cooling off. I think it's cooling off, guys. Wow. Son of a bitch. I guess it could have been worse, you know? It could have been a lot worse. For sure. Yeah. Safety. Fire extinguishers.